can tell pretty quick once it starts shooting some paint. This is hilarious because I can't see around this thing. What's up, man? Trying not to run anyone over. It's Thursday and we're back in the grooming shop. Caden has already laid plastic down over all of the flooring in here and taped up this window. And then we're gonna go ahead and hit all of this stuff with an oil-based primer and then hopefully come back either this afternoon or in the morning and spray texture on all of the walls and the ceiling to cover up this OSB patterning, make it look a little more like sheetrock. Then that's gonna have to dry for 3 days. So tomorrow's Friday, Saturday, Sunday. We should be good to go ahead on Monday and put another coat of primer and then our finish paint. It's kind of interesting that it's in a metal bucket. Just need to check and make sure that they stirred this. All we have right here is 5 gallons of Extreme Block stain blocking primer and sealer. It's interior oil based. And it definitely looks well mixed. I think it'll fit the top hole here. All right, about to get started painting. Let's get it done, man. It's getting hot. Toss this in here. Go ahead and purge it. Let it purge until we start getting some paint out of this. Oh, that's pretty quick. Now we gotta purge the line set. Let's see. You can tell pretty quick once it starts shooting some paint. It'll get a lot less misty and more like thick. There it is. All right. We got paint. For latex paint, I don't mind getting it on my clothes and in my hair. I can just go outside and wash my head real quick. Yeah. And oil-based stuff, it doesn't clean up so good. I should. Yeah. This. Oh, that's nice. It's a little hot. Yeah, that came out pretty good. We got a coat all the way around. Probably a little thinner on the ceiling than I would have liked, but it's a coat nonetheless. Yeah, we ended up running out towards the end there, so I kind of had to go a little thinner. Should have probably grabbed about 7 gallons. Okay, well, I'm gonna go get undressed and we're gonna go head to the Hammond house to get some things. We made it back out to the flip house. Clayton's out here thugging it out, getting all the electric ran for us, coming in clutch. So look at all these boxes and wires we got in here. We just redid our order. They sent us deep cans for the lights. They're supposed to send us shallow cans. So we're sending those back, getting some new ones, got our material list updated. Now we have to pull measurements in the bathrooms because I need to go get a tub and a shower pan so that Derek can come out here and finish doing the plumbing. Like maybe a quarter at the opening here. Hopefully it's found out. We'll end up coming to, all right, that's great. This should just be 5 foot. What we got there? Same thing? What is it? 411 and a half. The last thing we're gonna do before we run to Home Depot or Lowe's is we need to pull measurements and verify the size of all of these rooms so we can get our living square footage. So we made it to Home Depot. We got to pick up some materials here. Hopefully they have a tub and shower kit that we can use for the flip house. So wish us luck. So it's really hot at the project house, and Clayton doesn't have a fan. So we're trying to find a Milwaukee fan that matches his batteries so we can give him a little surprise. But I'm not seeing them. Oh, well, that's great. It's the M18?
Yeah.
Perfect. How's it going? Now, to get them a fan, we kind of need to get them a battery too. Where are they at? Those are the M12 batteries. Where the heck are the batteries at? Oh, I saw something over here. It's like battery charging stations and stuff for Milwaukee too. Look, it is locked up. You're right. I don't want people stealing this stuff. Look, see, there's a dual bay supercharger. Charger only? It doesn't even come with batteries, and it's $220.
That's the word.
Is that an 8 amp hour? It's 8 amp hours. That's a big old battery, bro. I think we just need like a 4 amp hour. We're gonna find this thing. All right, Caden found it. There it is, 100 bucks. That's what we need, and that's a 5. That's pretty good. Hey, excuse me. We're trying to get one of these batteries, but they're kind of locked up. I think they're all the same. We're getting a bunch of other stuff. Do you have to hold on to that? Yeah. Okay, it's because we got to get a shower and a tub as well. Thank you. They took our cart, so we took too long shopping. Ooh, there's something hung up in the wheel. Oh no, it rolls good. Tape measure. We need the fan. Yeah, they took all of our stuff. We were doing so, I don't know, we weren't really doing that good. Yeah, okay. Is it? All right, well, that's great. We're gonna have to order the shower because they don't have one that's gonna work. So this is the tub shower combo that we're getting. So the problem we're having is that we have a 5 foot wide by 4 foot deep spot for a shower in the master bathroom. I was gonna do a custom tile shower, but it's gonna end up being like 8 grand. So I'd rather just do a shower pan kit, but the biggest one they have is 5 foot wide by like 34 inches deep, which is 14 inches less than what we have. So I'd like to maximize that space. I'm gonna call around and see if someone has an actual 5 foot by 4 foot shower kit. Let's get out of here. We gotta check out on the right hand side of the store though, because they got our battery. I'll let you go first because I can't see nothing. I'll just follow the top of your head. Crashes into stuff. This is hilarious because I can't see around this thing. What's up, man? Trying not to run anyone over. Okay, now we're cooking. You're gonna have to get in here. Easy. Not difficult at all. Thing happened at Home Depot earlier.
Really?
Yeah, so we were walking around the aisle and I tripped and I fell and I accidentally knocked this thing into the cart, so I figured you might want it.
Bro, what a great accident. That's,
I know, I was just like, oh no, and I was like, you know, Clayton was just saying how nice it'd be to have a fan, and then, you know, the battery fell with it, so I don't know.
You're amazing. You're amazing, bro. I appreciate you.
So let's work our way from the bottom up, because none of this is glued.
None of it?
None of it glued now.
Maybe
The boot. Front, but yeah, there's
it in there though.
Bottom of the can. We'll fight it in. There we go. We got our key